I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Yesterday, we talked about Bitcoin. Expect the unexpected. Major Bitcoin move in 24 hours. Did it play out? Basically, it's been a crazy day for Bitcoin. We're going to jump in to some of these ideas that I talked about yesterday, expand on them. These are important ideas to understand to give yourself an edge while trading this market. So we talked about watching how the price action reacts to this lower trend line. So this is zoomed in Bitcoin 30-minute chart, and you can see the exact rejection that we were looking for as a possibility played out, and Bitcoin dumped crazy. I mean, you look at Bitcoin, it ran all the way down here to 39,600, and a bunch of buyers jumped in. I'm going to show you tensor charts. We're going to go over heat maps. I've got a good video for you guys. It's very important that you watch this video to the end. The buyers jumped in, and we're going to see where more buyers are stacked at. So back to the daily chart, and we talked about this yesterday. See this level? This same exact level. The bulls haven't been able to break above. The bulls need this level back to avoid more downside. It's all about a bullish break and retest. This is a huge downtrend. This is not amazing price action for the bulls. We do not hold downtrends. Like I told you yesterday, I do not have any coins. I'm just waiting for a better bounce, some altcoin trades to be made on that idea. When this falling wedge breaks out to the upside, we'll buy into strength, and we're going to make a ton of money in this market. But right now, the market's not amazing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group, was in huge losses in 2018. Now, they've got a huge portfolio. They've taken all their initial buying capital out of the market, and they are financially free and very grateful for my hard work. This is exactly why I do this every single day. Financial freedom. It's not about the money, it's about the freedom. This person saved thousands and thousands of dollars this past month just because I encourage people, hey, sit on the sidelines. This person, on the Kucoin gem picks, we killed it. This person made $33,941 trading these Kucoin gem picks. It's amazing to see life-changing money. This person started with under $15,000. Now they have a $100,000 portfolio. And the best part is people are maintaining it. They're not riding these downtrends. I can help you. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus a $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution. Get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. The reason why we do so well is because we find the best setups. Near up 75%, back here 107%, 92% gains in FTM, 160% gains. So this is tensorcharts.com. The most important idea here is you see this white line right here. This is at about 40,000, right? This is where all the buys were stacked at. You had this huge dump and the buys were stacked here. Now let's watch what happens here. So this white, being that it's bright, this is a heat map. All the buyers were right here. Well, the price action dumped below that level and came back down to the next level where the buyers are at, right? Happened again here. Right? So essentially all the buys got fills and then drops to the next level. All right. So then this happened here and rolled over continually and got down here to 40,000, 39,000, 39,679. Okay. So the buyers are down here stacked, but the buyers are getting weaker, right? As these buy orders continually get filled, again, Bitcoin, there's also a bunch of sell orders at 42,360, right? So Bitcoin's just in this range. It's not been amazing trading. I mean, if you go over, you look at Bitcoin heat map, like the market's getting destroyed. Like, this is not amazing trading. And it's important to know when to be patient. And like I said, man, when this thing bounces, we're going to buy into strength. We're going to make a ton of money. This profits come in bunches in this market. So do losses. You've got to skip the downtrends. They are brutal. Bitcoin dominance. So this is concerning. We talked about this. We talk about Bitcoin dominance probably more than anybody else in this market. This bounce has not been good for Ethereum. Let me just bring this Ethereum chart over. So this is Ethereum on the daily chart. Bitcoin's dominance started pumping and Ethereum has just been wrecked, right? There are some RSI on Ethereum is low. I mean, there's some bounce ideas, but Ethereum barely holding on here. You do not want to see Ethereum come back up here and bearish retest this 200 simple or the pattern. Otherwise, more downside for Ethereum. So again, critical for the altcoins that this level isn't regained. If this trends higher, you'll see 20, 30% more losses out of altcoins, right? You don't want to be in these altcoins while this is trending higher. Right now, there's panic situation in traditional markets that hasn't helped the stock market. And you can see earlier today, pre-markets looked about the same. And then S&P just started getting hit early, like 8 o'clock this morning, right? I was keeping the group updated. 8 o'clock this morning, S&P just started rolling over, right? SPX, we're going to look at that in a second. Mondays are always very volatile for Bitcoin, and I'll pay more attention to what traditional markets are doing and potentially CME Bitcoin futures charts as well. Monday, expect market movements out of Bitcoin, and it'll set the trend or tone for the week. This is the SPX. So I am watching CNN Money. I'm watching traditional markets to see what's happening. They're talking about a new panic situation variant. There's some concerns with supply chain. Fed's going to raise the rates. That they're real concerned about inflation and slowing it down. Supply chain breakdown. It's hard to hire people. The number of people calling in sick right now in the United States is at all-time highs, right? And it's not necessarily just because of the panic situation. All types of colds, right? They're missing work. People are quitting their jobs in record numbers as well. There's a paradigm shift. And I have to think that this is a world now where, because of social media, I mean, you see a shift away from Fox TV, away from ABC, NBC, CBS. You have to think that YouTube and social media has become the focal point for people. And potentially that's creating a lot of jobs and really a paradigm shift, I think. And so definitely encourage you guys to start social media, grow and grow a following, become active in this space, create a digital presence. It's changed my life just to have this opportunity to reach out to you guys on a daily basis. So S&P 500 had this crazy shakeout and then a bounce. I mean, look at Bitcoin. It's the exactly the same. We wanted traditional markets. We for years, we're just like, please, would you guys just recognize Bitcoin? We want ETFs. Here we are, ETFs. We wanted traditional markets. We wanted stock exchange. We wanted the stock market to get involved with crypto. Well, here we are. And guess what's happening? Crazy market madness. Now, the bullish idea is a breakout above this same level. It's this simple. You want upside out of Bitcoin, you got to get this level back. And then the question is, will you be able to break out of this falling wedge? Everybody's worried about and talking about this death cross, but just remember that death crosses are lagging indicators. The move happened way back here. You've got to use shorter term time frames. I like the 21. So this is the 21. When it crosses bearish below the 50, you get massive moves to the downside. Look, here's what I use, the 21 and the 50. Here's the bullish cross. Look what the price action does, right? Look, here's the bearish cross, massive downside. The death cross, the 200 and the 50 didn't come till here. The downside's already happened. All right, so yes, there's a death cross coming. Did we see more downside here last time? Yes, we did. Could it happen here? Yes, it could. But trade this price action. Wait till the strength comes. Buy into strength. Don't get drugged down by this market. Like, you do not want to sell fear in this market. But again, you have to learn to close your positions, pay yourself on the way up. Like, there's a whole learning curve. That make a 4-year plan in this market. Do it for your family. Do it for yourself. Do it. Like, you cannot come into this market and expect 100x gains overnight. That's just not how it works. Now, to say the same, there's this amazing trading that happens on these Bitcoin runs. It gets crazy. But we're waiting for the next parabolic move. Be patient. Get ready. Get your scales up now. I'm telling you, when this market bounces, these altcoins, the reason why we get these crazy runs out of these altcoins, because they get completely destroyed on these Bitcoin pullbacks. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.